back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I wanted to submit something for the Nyx Face Awards this year. This is what I came up with. It is heavily inspired by the milk1422 face charts. Kind of mashed a couple of them together and put my own spin on it, but sorry, I'm talking kind of quietly. I just moved a couple months ago and I'm against a shared wall right now, so I'm afraid he can hear me. But yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, please continue watching. I started this look by applying foundation to my face as well as down my neck and chest, and then blending it out with a makeup sponge, then adding concealer to any spots that I have and under my eyes. Next I went in with a blue water activated face paint with a dense face brush and blended that all down my forehead and blended that into the foundation color around my temples and on the bridge of my nose. Then I added some primer to my eyes before adding the face paint over my eyelid, leaving the inner corners empty. After painting everything I wanted blue, I set that with the NYX Hot Blue eyeshadow before going in with a blending brush and a bright purple eyeshadow to create a higher crease and winged it out towards my temples. With the inner corner that we left blank before, we are going to go in with a neon yellow eyeshadow or water activated paint, whichever your preference, and blend that into the blue in the surrounding area. And do the same to the other eye. Now going into my natural crease, I used a dark blue eyeshadow and a very small brush to create more depth. Next, I took an eyebrow pencil, mapping out the general outline of the shapes that I wanted to use from the face chart. They're kind of petally shaped almost, and then some random lines and geometric shapes around just to add more to the look. Then go in with your neon yellow and any other neon colors you would like to use and fill in those shapes. I had a file showing what I had done, but it broke. So this is what it looked like when I was finished blending everything together. Next, I took a teal water activated eyeliner and created the line around my upper lip and the lines coming off of the lip as well. Then I just kept filling in more shapes and lines around my face to make sure nothing was left blank. Then taking a black water activated paint, I outlined all of the shapes around my eyes and added small black details around any of the lines that were on my face, as well as the black detailed lines around my eyes and forehead. Next, I added black and white freckles around my nose, cheeks, and forehead, as well as a gem cluster above my left eyebrow, gluing down one spot that would not stick with some eyelash glue. Moving on to the body, I used a white water activated face paint to cover my entire chest and throat. Then threw on some mascara and a black eyeliner in my waterline. After the paint was dry, I went back in with a gold shimmer dust to set all of the paint on my neck and chest. Then switching to a pink shimmer dust, I started contouring the hollows of my chest and throat by sucking my body back to pop out my collarbones or any areas that would naturally sink in. Then going back over those areas with a darker pink eyeshadow to deepen those contours. I also added this dark pink to my shoulders and the back of my neck. After I finished painting everything, I used a glitter hairspray as a setting spray just to add a little bit more sparkle to it. And taking that white water activated paint again, I'm just adding some shine marks to my lips after adding a pink lipstick and a gloss on top of that, just to make it look like it's shinier than it really is. And I added another gem cluster to my chest and pulled the neon paints through my hair. Best part about this look is that it is UV reactive, so if you have a black light, you will glow in the dark. Now this look looked a little too sweet and innocent to me, even with all the black lines all over the forehead. It just kind of looked like a sweet little angel baby. So I went back in with that water activated black paint, saturated my brush, and let it drip down my throat just to give it a little bit more of an edge. Please like this video if you enjoyed seeing how I created this look. It took a long time. I took a nap in between. I'm shocked it didn't get ruined. Subscribe if you'd like to see any more of my videos. I've been wanting to film a lot more lately. I will hopefully have some videos up for you soon. If you'd like to see any of my hopefully soon to come videos, subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will hopefully see you in the top 30. We'll see.